My name is Louis Van Tonder. I'm also known as Tiego in the Sesotho language. The Sesotho language can be explained by the fact that the farm that I was raised on was located or is located in the Orange Free State province of South Africa. Wintershoek, as I say, is translated as Winter's Corner. And the Basotho people called it Mogale. The farm was a wedding gift to my mom and I guess my dad when they got married. Now, my mother's father, my grandpa on my mother's side, was a deeply religious man. He was of Dutch Flemish descent, and he inter alia created an orphanage for 200 black children on his farm, Rensburg Hoek. Good, he was a religious man, that played into the factor, but I think there was also a little bit of selfishness involved there, if I may say that. Or it can be seen and or translated as that because he was known as the Cherry King, meaning that he was the first farmer in South Africa to commercially produce cherries or plant cherry trees and introduce cherry trees to South Africa. Now, the selfishness in that sense, if I may call it that, ensured that he had a good labor force during the summertime when the cherries had to be picked. In those days, there was nothing wrong with it because it was seen as an after hours source of income for kids who otherwise would not have had any income or money for themselves at all. Well, say that again. Yes, these children did not have homes, so at least they found the orphanage as a way of having a roof over their heads, food, and as I say, shelter.